Hello guys, today we are going to review about the Makibes 06 smartwatch. This smartwatch is provided by the Geekbuying to iGeek Phone, the top listed review website, to review this smartwatch and to provide the best review for this. Now we are going to unbox this smartwatch. Let's see what's included inside the box and what's accessory they provide inside the box. So what we have here inside the box is, it's a really tough box. Here we have the smartwatch, the Makibes 06 smartwatch, and what we have the more, we have the one charger included inside the box to charge your smartwatch. And we have its box. And what we have more is the user guideline, and it's in multi languages. So what we have here, the charger, the guideline and the smartwatch. So let's start the review of Makibes 06 smart. If we talk about the design of this smartwatch Makibes 06, it's really good. It comes in the, you can see the metallic body. It's come in a metallic body with the dual rubber band. It's easy to carry anywhere. If you can see the metallic, there are two band holders, you can see them easily. What's more, the design it has the two buttons on the left side and three buttons on the right side. Each button have their own functions, like the start, stop, the back mode, up and down, and the power button. Here you can see the under of the smartwatch. It is a smartwatch sensor which is used for to calculate the heartbeat. And if you talk about the design, you can see the design is really beautiful. It comes in a metallic body. And what you need more to know about the design, it's not heavyweight, it's a really lightweight and really good smartwatch. The design is also include the waterproof. It has the IP68 water resistance quality, which don't allow water to come inside the watch to ruin the watch. You can easily carry this watch in anywhere, in any weather, in a very different environment while using it. It has the charger to charge your smartwatch. Here you can see the ports of USB. You can connect your charger, and even in laptop, PC, computer, Mac, to charge your smartwatch. You just need to put this cap on the back of the smartwatch to charge your smartwatch. Here you can see it's connected downside of the smartwatch, and you just need to plug this USB port to the charger or any computer to charge your smartwatch. It has a long last battery which is run around 20 days. About the features of this smartwatch, let's check it out. What features this Makibes 06 watch have. I will start from this button, start stop button. Here you can see the clock style. Here you can change the clock, different themes of the styles, and the date and time to change your date and time within your region. It also have the alarm to put it alarm on. The stopwatch, the languages to change the different languages, the written cruise and out of trouble to connect your smartphone with this smartwatch to know where your device is, and the shortcut to make shortcut of different, and the pedometer with the SOS and GPS. It also include the great features in this smartwatch. It also include the GPS system, which is none of smartwatch has, I think, but this is features is really good. And the restore, the about smartwatch, let's check it out. What's it about. The model number is UW80CV, and here you can check the date. Let's back this, and now we will check the theme.
Okay, here's the theme. Now I will go for theme clock style. Okay, now I will enter this. Here you can see the different theme, let's check it out. Other theme, let me turn the lights. Yes, here you can see the different theme. One more theme, another theme, another, and one more. So you just need to just start on the button on the back to insert the theme on the front. And watch, we have other features inside this smartwatch. Is let's check which languages it supports. It has English, French, and different other languages. Okay, the other feature,
and also comes with out of trouble and the shortcut features. It's also have the pedometer. It's really good for health. And what's more is it has SOS and GPS. Let's turn it on. Here you can see the GPS system, and you can change also the modes of the GPS. And what's more feature it have, let's check it out. Let's turn it on. If you press the up button, you will see the sports features and the compass plus the heart rate sensors to calculate. Here you can see. And for the health, it has my day options. What would I think that this smart is really good, and it has all the features which one smartwatch should have. And it has a long last battery. It comes with the best feature with the excellent design and more quality. Here the water test of Makibes 06 smartwatch. It's work perfectly fine. In the last, I would like to conclude that it has the best design and the excellent feature. It comes with the metallic body. It has the long last battery, and there are the different themes and the best features. You can easily buy this smartwatch, this Makibes 06 smartwatch from the Geekbuying.com. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching the video, and keep visiting our website igeekphone.com and Facebook page igeekfans for more reviews. Thank you very much. Good luck.